Hello everyone. Let us solve the definition where we read a number from the user and decide whether it is divisible by 5 or not. Now, a number is considered divisible by 5 if the last digit is a 0 or a 5. Now, we are going to make an assumption that the number entered by the user is an integer number so that we do not have to use the parseInt and parsefloat to check whether it is an integer number or not. So the first thing we'll need to do is convert it into a number, and then we'll have to check whether the number conversion is successful or not. So we'll have to use the isNaN, and if the conversion failed, we're going to generate an error message saying um, it's a wrong input. Otherwise, we are going to write the entire logic. Now, what is the logic? It's a very simple logic. We're going to extract the last digit, and we are going to check whether it is a 0 or a 5. So we'll have to use in the modulo operator using 10. So when you divide an integer number, modulo divide an integer number by 10, you get the last digit extracted. So finally, we'll have to just check if C is a 0-digit value or 5-digit value. Um, right, so we'll print it is divisible by 5. Otherwise, we'll print it's not divisible by 5, and that should work. So let us test. Okay, so when I enter a 123, it says not divisible, and if I enter a 1235, it says it is divisible. But now if I enter a negative value, this won't work. It will still show it is not divisible despite the last digit being 5, because when you are dividing a negative number by 10, modulo 10, then the value you get is -5. So we'll also need to add in one more condition, that if C is one of the three, then it should say it is divisible. So when I enter a -125, now it should say it is divisible by 5. The last is 0. It says it is divisible by 5. And if it is a positive value, it says still divisible by 5 and divisible by 5. And any other digit, and it says it is not divisible. So try this out, and in the next video I'll show you one more simpler solution to the same definition.